Hello, and we're at Sheraton Vistan Villages in Orlando. Hi guys. So we're doing a little staycation. We were celebrating my niece's birthday over here, so I decided to book another day and be in Orlando. We have some fun things in store. My husband's out right now, but I figured I'd show you the entire room in detail. That way you can see if this works for your next vacation. Right, so that's the entrance. I'm gonna turn you guys around. Okay, and this is the kitchen. So you walk right into the kitchen. Huge countertop. Great for if you have a big family. They can sit there and you can cook and chat. Right here on your right is the washer and dryer. We already used it. We washed our bathing suits and the clothes that we had on yesterday. Worked great. Actually not loud at all, but it does have a sliding door if you need to close it for a little bit less noise if you got some babies. Okay, and this is the fridge, full fridge, freezer, and refrigerator. Okay, we did buy all those things there and there. Does not come stocked. You get a blender and some kitchen utensils. Basically all your basics that you might need if you plan on cooking, being here for a week. Double toaster, which is nice. A full knife kitchen set, which I love. And a bunch of different glassware, even a casserole dish, which is nice because if you wanted to make something quick and you have a big family and you wanted to make it all in one spot, they gave it to you. So here we have the oven here. And you got some cookie sheets, some pans, microwave. I'm not sure if this is functional. Oh, it is. Look, measuring cups, pictures, strainers. I see a juicer up there. Here are your plates, bowls, small plates, mugs. I'm already making coffee, which I'm excited for. And here are your utensils, a cutting board, and we got some pans and a tea kettle and some pots. And down here, some cleaning supplies, which is amazing because if you're gonna use all these things, the last thing you want to do is like, I don't have a sponge. And at the end of the day, they do have a dishwasher. So that's nice as well. If you're on vacation, you don't want to be doing dishes. So right off the kitchen is the first bedroom, and that's a double bed action. So we did get upgraded. I only needed one bedroom, so this room has not been touched. And have your TV, you have your drawers. There's a closet here, nice dark curtains to keep the light out, which I love. Very big closet. And then we're on the 5th floor. Okay. They have USB plugs here, which is nice. You don't have to worry about bringing like a bunch of bases. Oh, and this was used already, so this is the door to the bathroom from inside the room, and then the door to the bathroom from outside the room. So like I said, we've already been here for a little bit, so we've made ourselves at home. So here is a really huge mirror, and the light is amazing because look, shut it off. Look at that. Boom. Great mirror. Don't mind me looking crazy, I just woke up. And you have your tub, so if you have little ones like I do, Tubs are really nice to have at a hotel for the younger kids. But I do have a surprise for you guys in the other bathroom. There's a nice large dining room table. Easily fits 6. So we have some chairs, and then we have the bench. Okay. And then this is the living room. And that is a pull-out couch, so another 2 people can sleep there. So we're already looking at potentially 6 people sleeping in here. From what we just seen, we have a vacuum and an iron and a laundry basket. And honestly, I love the fact that they give us the vacuum, because the last time I stayed at Sheraton Vistan Resort, the babies made a mess. There was chips everywhere, and I did not want housekeeping to come in and have to deal with that kind of mess. You know, like, housekeeping deals with regular messes, not chips crunched all over the carpet. So I was glad that they had a vacuum there for me, so I can clean up a little bit, so that I didn't get judged. Hi, baby. Hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, were you playing with your toys? So he had breakfast already. And now this is the master bedroom. Again, we did sleep in here last night. I was not making the bed. Here's the clean clothes that we washed from last night, so it's folded. It comes with some space here to put your luggage. It comes with drawers. And this one does not, the closet isn't in the bedroom. The closet is in the bedroom. So see, we brought Emmett's toys. How cool is that? A jacuzzi in your room. Amazing. So he loved it. He loves playing in this one. So even though there is a tub in the other one, he prefers this one. Who wouldn't? But yeah, his and her sinks, right? And then a stand-in shower, which was really nice. Tons of space. And then the commode is separate, which there's a door here for that, if you need a little bit more privacy. As you can see, Emma has made it his little play area. Also another cool, like, what I really like of what they're doing here, they give us tons of towels, tons in both rooms, so you're not always like calling saying, hey, I need towels. They also gave us full-size body lotion and hand wash, and the showers do have the full body, like shampoo, conditioner, and body soap or body wash. Okay. And then, so here would be your closet in the master bedroom. And then has a safe. We put Mark's luggage in here. And look at that. Extra pillows, extra blankets if needed. So really, I would think that that's for the sofa bed in case you're using it. But hey, if you need an extra pillow on your own bed, it's there. Okay. And another cool thing is we have a balcony. I was looking for that bottle earlier. There it is. And it's screened in, so bug free, which I love. It's really beautiful out right now, so it's great to sit out here. We're facing the lake here, but we're also facing their pirate pool over there that we enjoyed last night. And right there by the pool is a little marketplace. And in that marketplace, there's Starbucks. But yeah, here in the water, it's actually kind of really nice and relaxing. Sit out here, have your coffee, which, that reminds me, I got coffee brewing. Let's go get that. Hi guys, so I'm ending the video here. I just want to show you, do like a full room tour in this video. And then the second video will give you some tips and tricks that I use when, you know, doing a staycation or staying at one of these resorts. I'll go over all the activities that the resort offers. I'm gonna show you guys the pools, the stores that they have there, the marketplace. So come back to see the second video if you want to see the full resort view. I didn't want to put it in one video. It's quite long. So I wanted just to keep the room tour separately, but come back and you'll have the full resort view and the second video.